Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Zelle with your Chime account. So first, it's important to know that as of now, Chime doesn't directly support Zelle. But don't worry, you can still send and receive money by linking Zelle to your Chime bank account number and routing number. So to do this, open your Zelle application or your bank's Zelle feature and add your Chime account as a linked bank account using your Chime account and routing numbers. You can find your Chime routing and account numbers by logging into the Chime app and navigating to settings, then navigating to account details. Once your Chime account is linked, you can send money via Zelle by entering the recipient's email and phone number and receive money directly into your Chime account. Keep in mind, because this is a workaround, some banks may have restrictions or delays, so always double-check before large transactions. And that's it. You have now connected Zelle with Chime and can transfer money smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.